Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Understanding Concepts. Our today's topic is hexadecimal to octal conversions. Today we will be converting any hexadecimal number into the octal, but there is actually no direct method to convert a hexadecimal number into the octal. So what we have to do is, first of all, we have to convert a hexadecimal number into the binary number. After that, that binary number will be converted into the octal. And this conversion of hexadecimal number into binary and also the conversion of a binary number into the octal, I have explained in my previous videos. So if you want to understand this concept of converting the hexadecimal into octal, I will suggest you to watch that previous videos first, so that you can have a clear idea about the conversions. So I will be taking one example to show you the things. Here, suppose I am having a number that is 3DE. Suppose this is any random hexadecimal number that is to be converted into the octal number. So what first of all we have to do is, first of all we have to convert this hexadecimal number into binary. So for converting the hexadecimal into binary, I will be using a table. I am just going to show you that. Here this is a table that is representing the hexadecimal numbers into the binary numbers. We have used here the 4 bits of binary to represent a hexadecimal number, because you know that the base of or the radix of a hexadecimal number is 16, and the base or a radix of a binary number is 2. So finding out the relation between that is 2 raised to power 4 is 16, and here 2 raised to power 1 is 2. So you will be here noticing that we will be needing 4 bits of binary number to represent any of the hexadecimal number. So if you want to have the details of these conversions, then I have given the link in the description box, so you can check the videos from that there. So coming back to the example, here we are having this number that is 3DE. This is a hexadecimal number. First of all, we have to convert this hexadecimal number into binary. So I will be writing the 4-bit binary number of each and every hexadecimal digit one by one. So 3, here you can see in the table 3 is represented as 0011. So I will be here writing 0011. The next D, as in the hexadecimal number system, D is equal to 13, and that is represented as 1101. So here I will be writing 1101. And the next is E. In the hexadecimal number, E is equal to 14, and that is 14 is represented as 1110. So here I will be writing 1110. So I have now converted the hexadecimal number into the binary. Now the next step is, we have to convert this binary number into the octal number. So how we will be doing this? First of all, take this binary number, that is 0011, 1101, then 1110. Now to convert this binary number into the octal, I will be now showing you one more table. That is here in this table you can see this is a representation of the octal numbers into the binary. Here you know that the base or the radix of a octal number is 8, and the base or the radix of a binary number is 2. So finding out the relation between both of the bases, you know that here you can write 8 as 2 raised to power 3 and 2 as 2 raised to power 1. So you can see that 3 bits of the binary will be required to represent a octal number. So now we have to make the groups of these bits. I will be making the group of 3 bits each. I have also explained this conversion into the video, so I will be giving the link in the description box. You can check the video so that you can have the idea in detail how to convert these numbers from the octal to binary and from binary to octal. So now you have to make the groups of 3 bits starting from the right hand side. The first group is this. I have included 3 bits in the first group. The next group will be next 3 bits, and the next group will be next 3 bits, and this is the last group. So now you have to just write the corresponding octal numbers for each and every group. So 001, 001 is for the 1. I will be writing here 1. Next group is 111. So 111 is the code for 7. I will be writing here the 7. Next is 011. 011 is the code for the 3. So this is 3 over here. And the next is 110. Now this 110 is representing the 6. So I will be writing here 6. So I have now converted this binary number into the octal number. So this hexadecimal number 3DE will be equal to this, that is 1736 octal number, right? So this is the method how you have to convert the hexadecimal number into octal. First of all, you have to convert the hexadecimal number into binary and the binary number into the octal. And this is how you will be converting the numbers from one number system to the other. So I have also explained the other conversions in the videos. You can check the links given in the description box. If you have still not subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.